Some of us, we don't have a ton of time to do projects. Some of us work alone. There's often times where you feel like you kind of need a third hand. This gives you that extra free hand. It obviously alleviates a ton of frustration, and it does it super fast. The square stand is precision milled aluminum with an anodized protective coating made right here in the USA. The nice part about the square stand obviously is whether it's in your tool bag, in a box, back of your truck, in your cup holder, doesn't matter. It'll pretty much fit anywhere, even your pocket. You know, and something so small to alleviate such a, a large issue, it's obviously huge. The square stand, from a big general contractor all the way down to, the typical DIY person, like you're gonna be able to find a use and a need for it in your shop.
And it doesn't break the bank.
And for only... But wait!